If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to get $15 off. To add a custom watermark in TradingView, on the left side navigation bar, you can see different icons. Now click the text icon, click text, and put your desired watermark. You can also create an image watermark if you want an image, but in this case, I'm using text. Now, you can also resize the text. You can also change the color, and you can also move it. And that's it. That's how you add custom watermark in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.